Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Just thought I would make a short little video to show you what I'm working on right now. I'm working on several things, but I got out an old project. It's something that I bought way back in 2003, and I think it needs to be finished. So anyway, it is a latch hook, and it's a lighthouse. And I kind of got bored with it years ago, so I put it away, and I dug it out the other day and just decided, it's time to work on it. So I'll try to hold it up and show you how far I've gotten. So I've got the top part, and so I'm down a little more than halfway. I think it's going to be pretty. I'm going to finish it. It's got some mistakes in it, and I think I can kind of work around them to where it doesn't look bad, but that's okay. I'm not perfect, and my projects aren't all perfect. I'll try to show you a little bit of how I'm latch hooking. Right now I'm working on white and neutral, and they're really hard to tell the difference. The neutral is just slightly darker than the white, and that's part of the big lighthouse. So let me see if I can aim the camera down a little bit. Sorry for my hand in the way. Okay, I think you can kind of see where I'm at here. All right. So here's my little latch hook. And so I just wrap it around here. There's the little latch and the hook is up at this part. And so you just you stick it in, and I know you're not going to be able to see this, but you stick it in one of the grid lines, push the latch all the way through, and then you kind of wrap the yarn around that and let the latch hook close, and then you pull it through. And that one didn't come all the way through. There we go. So I'll try to show you a little up close of them. Oops. You get to see all the boo-boos I'm doing as I'm trying to do this, right? So anyway, that's what it winds up looking like. And I just got tangled up again. There we go. And I think I dropped some of my yarn on the floor. I will just get some more out of the box. The yarn comes like this. So I have quite a bit of the yarn left. And so it comes in wrapped in a little plastic sleeve. Let's see. This one needed 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've got 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now we will do a little latch hooking. Just push it through, latch it, and pull it through. Wrap it around, push it through, latch it, pull it through. So I hope everyone has been well. I have been doing pretty good. I'm still not walking as well as I would like. I still use my cane, and when I get up to go to the restroom at night, I make sure I use my walker because I definitely do not want to fall. And they say everyone heals differently, so I'm trying not to get discouraged. Before my surgery, I watched a lot of YouTube videos and what to expect and all of this, and I don't believe everything on all the YouTube videos. Okay. If you get your yarn out, I do it in steps. I try to do when there's a long section of one color. I try to do that because on the chart I have the little, right here is the section I'm working on right now, but there's little symbols in here, triangles and open squares and closed squares and pluses and an up and down line, and just a blank spot is for white and an N for neutral. Well, I have to flip over on this side, so I made myself, I took some of the yarn so I'd know for sure which color that I was going to be using. So anyway, that's how we're working right now. I'm going to count again. I think I needed 12. Yeah, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I don't need that white one. And then I need 5 neutrals. I did finish crocheting a couple of projects. I was working on some cactus, and I got 3 cactuses made. So these are the ones I made. They have the little flower pot at the bottom. I cut out a little plastic disc to put down in the bottom, but I think if I ever make any more, I'm going to try to go to a hardware store and get some washers that will fit in there, and that way they'll be weighted and they might stand up better. I also finished almost all of the bow cozies that I was working on. I have 2. I've got to dig around and see if I can find some more batting. But I finished my cactus and my llama ones. And so that project is done. And so that makes me happy to say I finished something. Okay, excuse my hand again. I just kind of wanted to touch base tonight and just show you what I was working on, and I hope you'll stop by again. Leave me a comment if you would like. I do a lot of crafts. I don't just stick to one thing. I don't just quilt. I don't just sew clothes. I don't just crochet. I like to keep myself occupied. I've even got beads around here, so I may have a beading project to do sometime. But anyway, again, thank you for stopping by. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you're interested in my channel, hit the notification button. That way, when I do get around to uploading a new video, you'll be informed. Anyway, have a blessed day, and take care, be kind, and bye for now.